From beautiful Parsippany, New Jersey, this is Plan TV.
Hello, I'm Dino Giuliano. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for Plan Companies. So what Plan TV is designed to be is a resource for friends of Plan, colleagues of Plan, people who work for Plan to be able to go to our YouTube channel and be able to use it as a resource to find out what's happening in the industry, what's happening at Plan, perhaps where we're going to be, and of course, we're going to make it fun for all. You know, as a 100-year-old company, we're always looking to be innovative and creative. We're always looking for different ways to do things. We're always looking to set the bar, create new heights, things that no one else has thought of. And in looking at our industry, we haven't found anyone who has their own TV channel. So we're very excited to be the first to bring that to our industry. So what could you expect when you come to Plan TV? Well, every quarter, we're going to feature different markets that Plan does business in. And as you may or may not know, we're everywhere from Atlanta to Boston, and on the West Coast, we're also in San Francisco. What we will do every quarter is we'll feature one of our representatives in these many different markets. We'll tell you what's new in those areas, what's coming in those areas, who's involved in those areas, and we're of course going to feature some great architect from the areas and some different things, the surroundings and the markets that we serve. So we hope you'll get a lot of fun and you'll learn a lot from these episodes. Thank you.
This Halloween, get scared, cuddly.
Hello, my name is Danny Riley. I am the Director of Business Development for Plan Companies. I oversee all New Jersey, and under the Plan Companies umbrella, I help with the following: janitorial maintenance, front desk concierge, and security guard service. So when you look at New Jersey as a whole, there's construction and development all over the place. Everything from the Jersey shoreline on the coast there to the Gold Coast especially. For example, Jersey City and Hoboken right now have anywhere from 10 to 20 new construction phases in place. You're looking at high rises, mid rises, especially redevelopment now. That's a huge thing. Owners, developers are taking industrial warehouses, old churches, and putting them into a multifamily aspect, which is just great for the township and great for the residents itself. So speaking of new developments and the redevelopments in these markets, especially in New Jersey, we're seeing huge uptick in technology. From the ground up, they are instilling technology throughout the building. The building is becoming a living thing, and it's amazing to watch. Everything from Wi-Fi in every unit for not only the residents but the guests, package visitor management, camera analytics, time and attendance throughout the building for the associates working there. It's all amazing, and what that does for everyone else is two things. One, it makes the management's job a little bit easier, a little bit more efficient, a little bit more error-free. And on top of that, the buildings are being occupied at a faster rate. We're seeing people from other buildings coming to these new buildings at an uptick like we've never seen before. And it's fun to watch, it's great for the ownership, and again, it's great for the environment of the properties that are going to be new in these townships. So we just had a great event last week, CAI in Freehold, New Jersey. Just a great volume of people, great faces to always see, great new people to meet as well. And really just an overall well put together event. Actually, next week coming up, Monday the 28th, is IREM, Institute of Real Estate Management. It's the first of its kind. It's going to be clay shooting out in Lehigh, Pennsylvania. Really looking forward to that, and that's going to be a great learning experience. The following week or 2 weeks out is going to be the NJAA Gala Awards. Another great event at night that we're looking forward to attending and supporting all of our residents, board members, and management teams. Another great thing to add for New Jersey market and to educate our prospective and future clients out there is that minimum wage is going up. And what does that mean to you? So from now to 2024, it's going to go up to $15 per hour for a pay rate. And that's going to exceed dollar by dollar year over year. So what does that mean to you and to us is we're trying to educate the market and best practices and how to make sure we keep and retain our associates, find quality associates, and obviously provide you with great service for your markets and properties. So I have a little trivia question for you, and you're going to see the answer at the end of this episode, so get ready. What 30 Rock actor was born in Parsippany, New Jersey?
If your lobby's not manned, you've got to call Plan. From San Francisco to Manhattan Island, up north to B-Town, south to Atlanta. Call Plans will man your property.
First of all, I'm very excited to be part of Plan TV and the inaugural episode. I'm Rob Francis. I'm president and CEO of Plan Companies and a proud fourth generation in a business that started by my great-grandfather in 1898. And my great-grandfather, like many who have come over, started with nothing, did not speak English, and was looking for work at a very, very young age. Settled in Newark, New Jersey, and started a window cleaning business. What's easier than having a bucket of water, a rag, and a squeegee, and just trying to go from storefront to storefront and clean windows? And so Bernard was doing that day in and day out consistently, getting up very, very early, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, and working throughout the day and making a lot of what we call promoters or raving fans in delivering service consistently and with enthusiasm. So that ended up going from one storefront to another storefront, where he was actually offered to do an office building that was in the neighborhood, and then another one. And as he was getting the window cleaning going, it kind of morphed naturally into janitorial service, where customers were asking him, well, you do a great job cleaning the windows, can you clean the inside of the building? And so we started to become janitors as well as window cleaners. My grandfather came into the picture, went to World War II, came back and built up the window cleaning business and janitorial, and added maintenance service as well, maintenance, handymen, engineers in the buildings. So big corporate commercial focus, but then also retail, enclosed shopping centers, and really primarily Northeast, still New Jersey, but it started to expand to Pennsylvania, to Connecticut, and even like outskirts of New York. My grandfather had two sons, my dad, Michael, and my uncle, Eric. And they got very into the business in the late 60s and early 70s. Actually, the first Francises to go to college was that third generation. And they added security and front desk concierge, because another need within the building where our clients, our residents, the tenants, were really desiring professional, trained, building staff that wasn't just the janitors that were cleaning, but the front desk concierge, the security, and having that whole feel for when they went home or when they were going into their places of work or into a shopping center, that they felt comfortable and it was a clean and just a great environment. So they built that up in the 70s and the 80s. And then I came in, over 2 decades ago. I'm in my 21st year already and love it. Grew up in the business as a fourth generation in the service business, but it is more than that.
Okay, so it's trivia answer time. Hope you guys are paying attention and doing your research. The answer to the 30 Rock actor that was born in Parsippany, New Jersey is Jane Krakowski. Thanks for watching Plan TV. My name is Danny Riley once again, and I look forward to meeting you all in the market. Have a great day.